All right, so get ready because today we're diving into the crazy world of meme coins. Where fortunes are made and lost like that.
Yeah,
And you sent over some seriously interesting stuff about this Ave.ai's new one-click trading tool. And just let me tell you, the speed this thing promises, it's mind-blowing.
yeah, it's pretty wild.
Yeah.
But it's not just about speed, just for the sake of it. Meme coins are notoriously volatile. Even a tiny delay can mean you miss out on like a huge game or get
Yeah.
stuck with a big loss.
It's fascinating, right? It's like the old saying, time is money, but with meme coins, it's like somebody hit the fast forward button.
Exactly. It's a whole different ballgame with meme coins. Traditional trading is all about fundamentals and research. But with these things, sentiment and hype,
Yeah.
even just pure randomness, it can send prices skyrocketing or plummeting in seconds.
Okay, so imagine this. You're watching a meme coins chart on your screen, and suddenly you see this massive spike. Your gut is screaming, B-U-Y, B-U-Y, B-U-Y. But by the time you log into your trading platform, enter all the details, and actually hit execute, poof, the opportunity is gone.
Yeah, and that's the exact problem that Ave.ai is tackling with this new one-click trading. They've got this floating trading window. It sits right next to the price chart, so you can see real-time data and you can execute trades, all without having to switch between screens or menus.
Wow, so it's like having a super fast trading terminal. But doesn't that much speed also come with some dangers? I mean, quick decisions could also lead to some pretty bad trades, right?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Speed without strategy is just a recipe for disaster. But that's where the other part of this tool comes in. You can set up your strategies beforehand.
Oh, okay. So you're not just impulsively clicking around. It's more like you're saying, okay, if this happens, I'm going to do this. And if that happens, I'm going to do that.
Exactly. You define your buy and sell points, your stop loss limits, and your take profit targets. You do all of that before things get crazy.
I see. So you're not just reacting on instinct. You're setting up a plan based on your analysis and risk tolerance. But still, meme coins are so unpredictable. Can you really plan for every scenario?
Of course, you can't plan for every scenario. That's the fun part, right? But the key is to shift your thinking. Don't try to predict the unpredictable. Instead, focus on managing your risk effectively.
Okay, that makes sense. So how do you do that?
Think of it this way. Stop loss orders are your safety net. They prevent you from losing everything if a coin suddenly crashes.
Right.
And take profit orders, well, they lock in your gains if a coin surges, which keeps your emotions out of the equation.
Got it. So it's less about handing over control to some algorithm
Correct.
and more about giving yourself a faster, more disciplined way to trade. But here's what I'm curious about. We've talked a lot about the features, but what about the philosophy behind Av.ai's approach? Are they seriously trying to tame the wild swings of the meme coin market?
That's a great question. And to really understand Ave.ai's mission, I think we need to look beyond the features of this particular tool. I think what they're going for is this idea that even in a market like this one, where hype and speculation are king, knowledge and control are still important.
So it's less about like trying to control the market and more about giving traders the tools
Yeah,
to
yeah,
kind of ride the waves better.
exactly. They're giving traders tools that help them make better decisions, execute those decisions faster, and manage risk. It's all about having an edge in this super fast-paced game.
And this one-click trading thing seems to be like a big part of that. It's like they've taken all the complexity of meme coin trading and condensed it down to this super simple interface. But how does it all work in practice? Like, say I'm a total meme coin enthusiast and I'm on Av.ai and I'm ready to make a trade. What do I do?
Okay, so let's say you're looking at the chart for, I don't know, Dogecoin.
Dogecoin,
That's-
okay.
You've been following the online chatter. Notice a lot of buzz around this particular canine-themed cryptocurrency.
Okay, yeah, I've done my research. I've consulted the Dogecoin oracles. And I'm feeling bullish on this one.
All right, so you enable that floating trading window right there next to the chart. You've got this real-time view of the price action. Now you decide, okay, I'm going to set a buy order at this specific price. But you're also aware of the risks. So you set a stop loss order too, just a few percentage points below your entry point, just in case things take a turn for the worse.
Right, so that's my safety net. Make sure I don't lose my shirt if Dogecoin suddenly decides to play dead.
Exactly, and to capitalize on a potential price surge. You also set a take profit order at a level that you'd be happy with. Now all your orders are set. And with a single click, you can execute any of them.
So it's like having your entire trading plan ready to go at a moment's notice. No more frantically typing in numbers or second-guessing myself. But wouldn't all this automation actually make the market even more volatile? I mean, everyone's using these tools to react instantly. Wouldn't that just create even bigger price swings? It's possible, yeah. But you have to remember, this tool is available to everyone. It's not just for a select few. And as more and more traders start using these kinds of technologies, we might actually start to see a shift towards more strategic and disciplined trading.
Interesting. So that becomes less about individual traders trying to outsmart each other and more about everyone having access to the same level of speed and precision.
That's the idea, at least. And this is where the conversation gets really interesting. If technology is leveling the playing field, what does that mean for the future of meme coin trading?
Yeah, what does that mean? Does it become more about strategy and risk management? Or will the inherent randomness of meme coins always trump even the most sophisticated tools?
Yeah, that really is the million Doge bonk question, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Can technology really tame this wild west of meme coins? Or will it always be a gamble, even with tools like this Ave.ai one-click trading thing?
Well, it's a tough question. I mean, on one hand, these tools definitely give traders a big advantage when it comes to speed and precision,
Yeah.
but meme coins, well, they're driven by sentiment and speculation, often just pure luck.
Yeah, it's like you said, trying to predict which meme's going to go viral next. You can analyze all the data you want, but there's always that element of unpredictability.
Exactly, and I think that's part of what makes them so appealing, the potential for these huge gains. Plus that thrill of the unknown. It's a high-risk, high-reward game, and there's no technology that can take all that risk away.
So where does that leave our listeners? Should they jump headfirst into the meme coin frenzy with these new tools, or should they be super careful?
I think balance is key. It's important to understand how tools like one-click trading can help. They can give you more speed, more precision.
Right.
But at the same time, you can't forget that meme coins are volatile. No tool can guarantee success in a market like that.
So it's not about finding some kind of magic solution. It's more about adding another layer of strategy and control to your trading.
Exactly. Do your research, understand the risks, and never bet more than you can afford to lose. Oh, and maybe most importantly, never stop learning. This meme coin world, it changes so fast. You gotta stay ahead of the curve.
Good point. So if our listeners want to learn more about this one-click trading and see how it works, where should they go?
Ave.ai's website is a great place to start. They've got tons of information, tutorials, demos of the platform. It's a great resource.
Awesome. So the meme coin world might be a wild ride, but with the right tools and a good dose of caution, it's a ride worth taking.
I agree. It's a super interesting space, full of innovation opportunity and, of course, memes.
Lots and lots of memes. And on that note, I think we'll wrap up this deep dive. Until next time, keep those minds curious and those trading fingers nimble.
And remember, in the world of meme coins, knowledge is power. And a sense of humor definitely doesn't hurt either.